Hey everybody. So here's a little reminder of how to make one of these cool looking patterns. Actually, how to make two of these patterns. That's your assignment. So I've made one, right? And I'll show you how I did it. Let's get another layer. And so we're going to use two filters, but we got to make sure the color is right first, because whatever color is down here, the foreground color, is what this is going to become. All right. So let's just choose that guy. It's nice and bright. Why didn't that work? Oh, I didn't hit OK. OK. There we go. So our new layer, we just got to fill it with that color. Go to Edit and Fill. And then you fill it with the foreground color, which is this guy down here on the bottom left. Ooh, nice and bright. All right, now we're ready. Go up to Filter. The reason why we have to use the foreground color, if you go in the Filter gallery, these ones down here that are in black and white, they're going to only use the two colors that you had already selected as the foreground and background color. So we want to use halftone pattern right here. When we do that, it fills it with dots, right? In those two colors, the pink and the white, foreground and the background. They're just dots. It's how they used to print old newspapers and magazines. To get a shade of a color, they would just turn it into dots. All right, but we can go from dots and choose lines right here in the middle. All right, and then with the contrast, you can have them fuzzy or you can make them nice and crisp, like that. All right, there we go. So now we got just a bunch of stripes. Now we have to use a different filter. Go up to Filters again and use this Distort. And there's a ton of things you can do. You can use whatever one you want. You know, they do all kinds of different things. But I like the wave filter. Let's go to Filter, Distort. I like the waves. Kind of retro feeling. And we can change the size of the wave. Mess around with that, get something that you like. So we can also change just how many different random generators are making these waves, right? If I add some more generators, now we got waves of different sizes smushed together. These are looking like they're melting a little bit more. So you can get something very, whoa, it's maybe a little too many. Very nice and even, or very kind of weird and random looking. All right. When you like it, you hit OK. So now we got a layer like this and a layer like this. We just got to make the one show through the other. So just like we've been doing on other projects, we're going to select the white and get rid of it. All right, we use magic wand here to select a color. I selected all the white because this box is unchecked, so it selected everything that was that color, and just hit the backspace. And the other layer shows through. So now, when you move this around, you get this crazy optical illusion called a moire effect, where it just looks like there's some movement going on. It's kind of nice. Once you get something you like, you can just export it as a JPEG